Imagine a world without trucks. It's almost impossible, isn't it? That's because trucks play such an essential role in our everyday lives. From the food on our tables to the clothes on our backs and the materials that build our homes, trucks transport it all. They are the unsung heroes of the transportation world, the lifeblood of commerce and trade. Think of a massive 18-wheeler loaded to the brim with goods. It starts its journey in a bustling warehouse where workers skillfully pack each item onto the truck. It's a carefully choreographed dance of efficiency and precision, every inch of space used to its full potential. Then, with a roar of the engine, the truck pulls away from the loading dock. It hits the open road, a behemoth of steel and power. It navigates through cities, over mountains, across vast plains, and through all kinds of weather. Snow, rain, or sun, nothing stops these mighty machines. Behind the wheel, a skilled driver guides the truck along its route. They know each twist and turn, each pothole and steep hill. They are the unsung heroes of the road, working long hours to ensure our goods reach their destination on time. The journey is not always smooth. There are challenges along the way. Traffic jams, roadworks, even unexpected breakdowns. But with determination and skill, the driver and their trusty truck overcome these hurdles. Finally, after miles and hours on the road, the truck reaches its destination. The goods are unloaded, ready to be put on shelves or used in manufacturing. The truck, once a bustling hub of activity, now stands empty, but not for long. Soon it will be loaded up again, ready for another journey. In summary, trucks are an essential part of our lives. They transport goods from warehouses to stores, overcoming numerous challenges along the way. The process of loading, transporting, and delivering goods is a complex one, requiring skill, precision, and determination. And at the heart of it all are the trucks, the mighty machines that keep our world moving. So the next time you see a truck on the road, take a moment to appreciate the vital role it plays in our lives.